And that's the lowest output of power Broly was using. Hi. Could I get 7 for 5, please? Thank you. Have a great day. Yeah, I don't think we can catch up to that Hellcat. I don't even know if it was a Hellcat or if it was just a normal one. Why am I out of breath? Because there's no oxygen. Whew, in the helmet. It feels better. I know. See, I forgot. I haven't ridden her in a long time. And I know I always say that, but it's true. I haven't ridden her in a long time. I feel like we need a little bit more room. Let's see if 7 was a lucky number. 7 was not the lucky number. But 7 is the number we're gonna go with. See, this doesn't close unless I put the key in there. Go like that. Then it closes. It is very hot today. Luckily, I'm only wearing a t-shirt under here, but like, this jacket is still a little bit heavy. Cause protection. Why is it so hot? It was supposed to be like 75 today, but it's like, oh my god, it feels like 90. Because I'm wearing all these leathers and gloves, and I wish I didn't care. And I was just one of those people that roll around butt naked. Just give me a while to settle in with Broly and kind of like, god damn, is it hot? Alright, it says 73 outside. F that, it is not 73 outside. Alright, I don't know, 75, C's going up. Alright. Look at myself in the reflection. Broly looking sexy. I'm blacked out, so I can't really see myself. But we looking good. Ah, sweet wind. Sweet wind. All them boys be looking. All them boys. Broly brings out all the boys to the schoolyard. Or to the backyard. To our yard. I don't know. We just cruising. We coasting. God, I'm so sweaty already. Move, dude. Wanna die? Move. I'm just playing. He was too far away anyways. Ah. Dude, you know what's weird now? I can tell you why I'm heating up. I got a freaking beard now, right? And for the love of God, I cannot get used to it. I seriously cannot get used to it. So that's why right now we are blazing. My face is on fire. Because I also wear like a baklava for my face. Oh, we getting that hoe. But yeah, I got a baklava on my face. That face mask that people wear, that baklava. I got that on my face. Then I got a freaking beard, which is still my quarantine beard, because until I stop working from home and life goes back to normal, I'm just gonna let it grow. And until I can go to the gym again and see some hotties with big bodies and naughty naughties, then I was gonna say naughty bodies. I should have said that. Then I'll go back to the I can't think, to the beardless, because I love my face to be shaven. That sounds gross. I love my mustachular area, my beardage to not be there. I like showing off the chiseled jaw so girls can wet it up like a biscuit. But at the moment we're working from home. We can't go to the gym because of the coronavirus. So I'm gonna let it grow. We're gonna let it slide. We're gonna let it go as far as it can. I don't trim per se. I just make sure it's in a line. Like, I don't want it to look like I'm a freaking hobo, which I look like a hobo right now. But I don't really maintain it. I just let it grow, let it grow, let it grow, because this is the only time I'm pretty sure in my life that I'm ever gonna have a beard. So might as well let it grow and see what it's all about. See, virus usually it's a Saturday chat, right? You would have little youngins, young bloods. playing soccer, bumping bellies, touching each other, acting like they're playing sports, but not anything because of the virus. If you're looking at people's faces, they're wearing masks. Well, not everyone, which I don't understand. Again, why? I thought in Mexico everyone would have to wear one, but I don't know. I'm not going out that much anymore because F that. I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it for a biscuit. Today's word is gonna be biscuit. That's the word we're gonna be effing around with. Is biscuit. What's a Triscuit? Is a Triscuit a type of biscuit? But yeah, as you can see, Broly's blacked out down there as well. We're heading to your favorite place ever, the happiest place in the world. And it's not Disneyland or Disney World. It is Supercar Alley. Supercar Alley. And we're gonna lick some feet of supercars, metaphorically, not figuratively. Whichever one's the one that you're not actually gonna do what you're saying, not literally, basically. Rhyme. So nice, so nice. Oh, you finna clown? You finna clown, homie? I was about to get angry. I was about to get really angry. Is anyone wearing a face mask? No one's wearing a face mask. What that about? What that about, man? No one's wearing a face mask, man. See, I thought it was like you wear a face mask or you're gonna get it up the butt, like in jail kind of thing. But I guess not. Who knows? Who knows? Street mode full throttle. I shifted too quick. I shifted too quick. Shifted too damn quick. And that's the lowest output of power Broly was using. She didn't go ham on it. But I did go full throttle, I think, I don't know what gear, fourth gear or something. You know what, F it! Roll a clip! Watch us again! Watch it again, man. Watch it again. Now that you guys watched it again, yeah, I don't know whatever gear that was, I full throttled it. But again, that is the lowest output that this motorcycle can do. Motorcycle can do. Gracias, mi amore. Bye-bye. Holly, alright, didn't care for me, alright. Birdie, flying high, cool, cool, cool. Fat people, sagging, as always. I like that sticker, it looks cool. Pink and blue, my favorite colors. Pink and blue. So in case you guys ever ask and want to find out more about riding and saying, man, my favorite color, pink and blue. I like gray to wear gray, and I feel like gray goes well with that color as well. I like white, but my favorite colors, pink and blue. Also neon. Neon is really coming up. Not yellow, but neon. It has that mix of green or whatever. Yeah, that looks cool. I don't know what it said. I'm pretty sure that's like a sports drink emblem or something like that, or an energy drink. But I wouldn't know because I don't drink any of those, homie. Your boy's clean everywhere, all around, and around, side to side, back to back, front to back, from back, side to side.